it takes exactly half a day to befriend any city. You know, the city will first resist you, and before you know, you actually know all the ways, and you start giving directions to all the people around you, and before you know, the city has become like your best friend. And that's exactly what has happened with me in Venice. Yesterday, from my hotel, it took me almost like what, an hour and 5 minutes to reach from my hotel to this main town square called San Marco. Yeah, with the basilica in the background, if you can see. Wait, my umbrella. Wait, hello. Yes, that's the one. And today it took me less than 20 minutes to come here. Also because it's morning time, you know, and there are less number of people. You're not really running into too many tourists, so it's kind of faster. And it's also better because there are less number of people looking at you thinking, weirdo, why are you talking to the camera? I don't care. I don't care at all, man. Okay, I care a little bit. Okay, Shai is coming. Okay, bye now. I quickly took the lift to the top of the bell tower and was thrilled to pieces to see so many islands in Venice. Right now I'm doing my favorite thing, which is to be at the highest point of the city, one of the highest points of the city, and have a bird's eye view of the city. I'm at the top of the bell tower, which is just next to Basilica San Marco, and the views from here, nothing less than spectacular. The rains had washed the entire city and added like a new contrast to the landscape of the city. After capturing it from all angles, I decided to explore different islands in Venice. After walking the streets of Venice, I'm trying to explore different islands here in Venice. Actually, Venice is made of 120 islands, and I'll be exploring 3 islands, Murano and Torcella. One of them is known for glass making, the other one is known for lace making, and Torcella actually has the oldest church in Venice. Excited! Murano is known for glass making. All these amazing shops here display such amazing glass products. I'll be exploring all of them. It's a 20-minute ride from Venice. It's going to cost you 7.5 euros, but if you take 20 euros ticket, which is a day pass, then it gives you access to all the islands in Venice throughout the day. And it's a very beautiful boat ride, by the way. I wanted to go into the glass factory and understand the whole process of glass making, except it was closed. Thankfully, there was a workshop in progress in a furnace, and I had great insights into the whole process of glass making. There was a store next to the furnace where I bought a couple of souvenirs, but I was a little cautious doing that. Okay, I'm a little scared right now because if I drop anything here, I'll be working in the furnace for the rest of my life and never be able to come back to Dubai. After absorbing every bit, about the world famous Venetian glass, I walked about the island a little bit and hopped onto a boat to go to my next destination called Burano. The experience of Burano was even more special than Murano. Why? Well, you shall find out in the next episode of Travel Locations.